Good morning. I am very happy to see you again. Are you studying your lessons very well? Yes? Very good. How is the weather today? Is it a sunny day? No. Is it a rainy day? Yes. See, sometimes we can hear a big sound before rain. Have you heard that sound? Yes. That sound is called thunder. Thunder means idimulakam. Now I can hear thunder. Can you hear? Yes. So now Miss is going to sing a rhyme about thunder. I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Oh don't you, oh don't you. Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through, I'm wet through. Yes, children. After thunder, what will come? Rain. Can you say the first letter of rain? Yes, R. R says A. Very good. After rain, what will we get? We get water. Children, where do we get water from? We get water from rain. River. River means Nadi. Can you say one more place? Yes. Well. What is it? Well. Can you say the first letter of well? No? Okay, I will say. See, first letter of well is W. Mama W. And baby W. Baby W is looking like is mother. Who is small? Mama or baby? Baby. Mama is big. Mama W. Baby W. What is the sound of W? W says what? W says what? Can you say with me? W says what? One more time. W says what? Very good. Which letter comes before W? Yes, V. V says V. W says what? V says V. V. Van. W says what? What? Well. Did you understand the difference between W sound and V sound? Very good. Now can you tell me the first letter of well? Yes. W. What? Well. What do you see here? Bucket. We can carry water from the well by using a bucket like this. Okay? What do you see here? Glass. What is in the glass? Yes, water. Water. Can you see the color of water? Yes, water has no color. Can you see the taste of water? Yes, water has no taste. Can we live without water? No. When we feel thirsty, we will drink water. Children, we should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Will you drink? Very good. Can you say some more uses of water? Yes, we need water for cooking and washing. Wash. We should wash our hands with soap and water to keep away COVID-19. Wash. Which fruit is this? Yes. Watermelon. Watermelon contains plenty of water. Plenty means ധാരാളം വെള്ളമുണ്ട്. See, what is this? Yes, house. And what is it? Tree. And what is this? D. Door. And what is this? What? Window. What? Window. When we open the window, we will get sunlight and wind. What? Wind. What? Wind. And what do you see here? What is it? Yes, plant. Which flower is this? Yes, jasmine flower. Jasmine. What's the color of jasmine flower? Yes. What? White. What? White. And what do you see here? Fence. Fence means valley. What is the color of fence? Yes, white. What? White. What is this? Yes, what? Web. What? Web. Who makes web? See? Who is it? Spider. Spider makes web. And what is it? Yes, what? Watch. What is the use of watch? Yes, watch tells us the time. Time. Time means samayam. Who is this? Is it a fish? No. This is a whale. What? Whale. Where do they live? They live in sea. Sea means kadal. What do you see here? Waves. What? Waves. Waves means tiramala. What? Waves. Yes, today we learn the letter W and its sound W.